The Symphony of Success, a journey of growth, transformation, and becoming success. The very word resonates with promise, a beacon of achievement, a culmination of effort. We often envision it as a triumphant peak, a singular moment of glory. Yet this perception, while alluring, is fundamentally incomplete. Success isn't a static destination, a final flourish. It's a dynamic, evolving process, a journey of continuous growth, relentless learning, and profound transformation. It's not about reaching a fixed point on a map, but about the very act of navigating the terrain, the person you become through the climb. This journey is paved not with grand, sweeping gestures, but with small, deliberate actions consistently applied over time. It's the accumulation of these seemingly insignificant steps that ultimately leads to extraordinary achievements. The sheer magnitude of success can often feel overwhelming, precisely because we fixate on the summit, the end point, rather than the intricate path that winds its way up the mountain. We see the majestic peak, but we forget that the ascent begins with a single, deliberate step. Success is also profoundly personal and subjective. It's not a universal yardstick measured by external validation, but an internal compass guiding you towards your truest self. It's about maximizing your potential, aligning your life with your core values and purpose, and becoming the best version of yourself. The journey of success isn't defined by reaching a predetermined location, but by the metamorphosis you undergo along the way. It's about the lessons learned, the obstacles overcome, the character forged in the crucible of challenge, and the wisdom gleaned from both triumphs and setbacks. This perspective shifts the focus from external accolades to internal fulfillment, transforming success from a fleeting moment of recognition into a sustainable and deeply meaningful pursuit. Imagine standing at the foot of an imposing mountain. Its peak, shrouded in mist, seems impossibly distant, the path ahead treacherous and unclear. It's natural to feel daunted, to question your ability to even begin the ascent. But seasoned mountaineers understand a fundamental truth. The only way to conquer a mountain is one step at a time. Each step, however small, incrementally reduces the distance to the summit. And it's the journey itself, the arduous climb, the unwavering perseverance, the lessons etched into your being, that makes the panoramic view from the top so breathtakingly rewarding. The mountain metaphor encapsulates the essence of success as a journey. The peak represents your ultimate aspiration, but the climb itself, the daily grind, the inevitable setbacks, the hard-earned victories, is where the real transformation occurs. The journey molds your character, strengthens your resilience, and deepens your understanding of yourself and the world around you. A cornerstone of the success as a journey philosophy is the emphasis on the process over the outcome. While goals provide direction and fuel motivation, they are not the sole determinants of success. The process, the actions you take, the habits you cultivate, the mindset you adopt, is what ultimately shapes your trajectory. Focusing on the process alleviates the pressure of immediate results. It allows you to savor the journey, extract valuable lessons from your experiences, and maintain commitment even when progress seems glacial. This approach cultivates a growth mindset, where challenges are not viewed as insurmountable roadblocks, but as invaluable opportunities for learning, development, and refinement. One of the most common pitfalls on the road to success is premature abandonment. Many people give up too easily, expecting instant gratification and losing heart when results don't materialize quickly enough. But success isn't about instant gratification. It's about delayed gratification, the willingness to sow the seeds today and reap the harvest tomorrow. The concept of delayed gratification was famously illustrated in the Stanford marshmallow experiment, where children were faced with the choice between immediate gratification, eating one marshmallow, and delayed gratification, waiting to receive 2 marshmallows. The study revealed that children who could delay gratification tended to achieve better life outcomes, including improved academic performance and greater career success. Delayed gratification is a crucial ingredient for success because it empowers you to remain focused on long-term objectives, even when confronted with short-term temptations or temporary setbacks. It demands self-discipline, unwavering patience, and a willingness to endure temporary discomfort for the sake of future rewards. Failure is not an anomaly on the journey to success. It's an inevitable and integral part of the process. It's not a reflection of inadequacy, but a natural consequence of venturing beyond your comfort zone, taking calculated risks, and pushing the boundaries of your potential. Every failure is a potential springboard for growth, a chance to learn, adapt, and refine your approach. Consider the iconic story of Thomas Edison, who famously failed thousands of times before perfecting the light bulb. When questioned about his numerous failures, he astutely remarked, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Edison understood that success is built brick by painstaking brick, that each perceived failure is not a dead end, but a valuable lesson, a stepping stone on the path to ultimate achievement. Embracing failure as a natural part of the journey requires a fundamental shift in mindset. Instead of viewing failure as a personal indictment, see it as invaluable feedback. Analyze what went wrong, identify areas for improvement, and use the experience to inform your next steps. This growth-oriented mindset cultivates resilience and unwavering perseverance, empowering you to continue moving forward despite the inevitable setbacks. Consistency is the bedrock of lasting success. It's not about sporadic bursts of Herculean effort or grand, dramatic gestures. It's about showing up day in and day out, even when motivation wanes, and diligently putting in the work. Consistency is the force that transforms small, seemingly insignificant actions into monumental results. It's what distinguishes ordinary individuals from extraordinary achievers. Think of a river carving its way through a vast canyon. The water doesn't carve the rock in a single day. It's the relentless, unwavering flow of the river over countless years that shapes the landscape. Similarly, your daily actions, however small they may seem in isolation, possess the power to create profound and lasting change when applied consistently over time. The challenge, of course, lies in maintaining consistency. Life is replete with distractions, unforeseen setbacks, and competing priorities. It's easy to lose focus, succumb to procrastination, or become discouraged when progress seems slow. But the key is to maintain your gaze on the bigger picture while remaining grounded in the present moment. Regularly remind yourself of your why, the driving force behind your aspirations, and celebrate the small victories along the way, no matter how insignificant they may seem. Goals provide direction and fuel motivation, but not all goals are created equal. To maximize your chances of success, set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART goals are clear, concise, and actionable, making it easier to track progress, maintain focus, and stay motivated. For example, instead of setting a vague, nebulous goal like "I want to get in shape," set a SMART goal like "I will exercise for 30 minutes, 5 days a week for the next 3 months." This goal is specific: exercise for 30 minutes, measurable 5 days a week, achievable, realistic, and attainable, relevant, aligns with the desire to get in shape, and time-bound for the next 3 months, making it far more likely to be achieved. Large, ambitious goals can often feel overwhelming, even paralyzing. Breaking them down into smaller, more manageable steps makes them significantly more attainable. Each small step becomes a building block, incrementally bringing you closer to your ultimate objective. For instance, if your goal is to write a novel, break it down into smaller, more manageable tasks, such as outlining the chapters, writing a specific number of words each day, and revising the manuscript. By focusing on one small step at a time, you can make steady progress without feeling overwhelmed by the sheer magnitude of the overall project. Habits are the invisible architecture of consistency. They automate positive behaviors, making it easier to stay on track even when motivation wanes. To build a new habit, start small and prioritize repetition. For example, if you want to develop a habit of reading regularly, start by reading just 10 pages a day. Over time, this small, consistent action will become an ingrained part of your daily routine. Tracking your progress is essential for maintaining motivation and accountability. It allows you to visualize how far you've come, identify areas for improvement, and celebrate your achievements, however small they may seem. Utilize tools like journals, mobile apps, or spreadsheets to record your daily actions, milestones, and reflections. Cultivating a growth mindset is paramount. A growth mindset is the belief that abilities and intelligence are not fixed traits, but can be developed and enhanced through dedicated effort, persistent learning, and strategic practice. This mindset fosters resilience, fuels creativity, and cultivates a willingness to embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. To cultivate a growth mindset, focus on the learning process rather than solely on the outcome. View failure as valuable feedback and celebrate effort and progress, not just results. Resilience, the ability to bounce back from setbacks, is an indispensable skill for success. The journey is rarely smooth. It's often punctuated by unexpected detours, unforeseen obstacles, and temporary defeats. To build resilience, prioritize self-care, maintain a positive outlook, and surround yourself with a supportive network of individuals who believe in you and encourage you to persevere. Please guys visit our channel for more motivation videos, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and share the video. Thanks for watching.